And big breaking news that's coming in from Lahore of massive damage to the Pakistan Army. Air defense units of the Pakistan Army in Sialkot, Lahore and one more city have suffered heavy damages. This is the big breaking news that's coming in. We can confirm for you that air defense units of the Pakistan Army in Lahore, in Sialkot, have been hit right now, have suffered heavy damages. Now, the nature of this damage, what exactly happened, we don't have details of just yet. But mind you, hours ago, there were reports that suggested that there was an air raid siren that was sounded off. Blasts were heard in Lahore. It was suspected that drones were in fact going off in Lahore, very close to Muridke, which is where we saw the strike taking place yesterday as part of Operation Sindoor to take on the LET, to take on the Lashkar-e-Taiba headquarters. Now, reports suggesting that there's been massive damage to the Pakistan Army in Lahore, in Sialkot too, which was another location where we did see these strikes yesterday as part of Operation Sindoor. At this point, there's news coming in of heavy damages that's been reported to Pakistan Army's air defense systems. I want to bring in Shivani Sharma for more details. Shivani, what are you picking up from your sources? What kind of damage are we talking about? We understand the air defense units of the Pakistan Army is particularly being hit. Reports suggesting it's in Lahore and the other in Sialkot.
Akshita, what we are getting through the sources is that there are big damages that have implicated on the air defense systems in Sialkot and Lahore in Pakistan. What is the reason behind this and who is the reason behind this? We have to check and confirm, because these are the inputs that we've been getting in Lahore. Also, remember, there have been some inputs of the blasts that have been happening in Lahore. Multiple blasts have been happening since morning. In Sialkot also there were some inputs that were running on Pakistan's media channels that there were some explosions that were reported there in Sialkot. There were no official confirmations. There were some fake videos also that were running. But now what we are getting and picking from the sources that there are big damages that have been implicated on the air defense systems of Pakistan. What was this? Who was this? And how these systems got damaged? We have to wait for more updates to be confirmed, because this is a developing situation. We are seeing every day some of the other action that's happening, and here after Operation Sindoor, what we are learning is that the air defense systems of Pakistan have had severe damages.
A few hours ago, Shivani is right. There were some reports that suggested that, air raid sirens had gone off. There was a general sense of panic among locals, and then sounds of explosion as well. Now the confirmation we are getting to you is that air defense units of the Pakistan Army have been hit in Lahore as well as in Sialkot. An air defense unit is essentially any system that protects against aerial threats. So this is a big compromise essentially that the Pakistan Army will have to deal with. The information we have is that this has been reported in Lahore as well as Sialkot and another city, which will get a confirmation for you in just a bit as well. Seemingly at this point, we don't know the nature of the strike, Shivani. We don't know what's hit the air defense unit, but we are confirming that there has been damage to the Pakistan Army in Lahore, in Sialkot. And this follows reports that came in hours ago of some explosions that were also heard in Lahore, on which there was no statement really from the Pakistan Army.
Akshita, we've been seeing and we've been reporting about how the explosions are being reported in Pakistan, and especially in the Sialkot area, which is again a border area, Lahore and another city out there. And there have been inputs of these bomb blasts in Lahore. And what we got from the sources that there was some kind of demonstrations. The Army of Pakistan and the Air Force of Pakistan, they've been doing some drills out there that went wrong, and that led to these explosions. But now what we are picking is that there are severe damages on the air defense systems. Air defense system, as you were also speaking and explaining, that the systems that are installed close to the borders to neutralize any kind of aerial threats. What these aerial threats were that were being neutralized, what was the cause of this damage to the air defense systems of Pakistan in Sialkot, Lahore, and what has been happening. So there's a sense of panic, we believe, in Pakistan, and we've been getting some inputs from there. And yesterday, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, he had also warned India of some retaliatory action. So India has all its assets at place. Its deployments are on a high alert along the borders, in the skies too, and from where we are reporting in the northern area, the line of control areas too, where the ceasefire violations have been happening. But now what we are learning is a major development, that the air defense systems in Pakistan have suffered losses.
Okay, so this is the big breaking news that we're tracking right now. And there was some suggestions of activity in Sialkot last night, of Lahore this morning. What we can confirm for you is that there's been massive damage reported to the Pakistan Army. What form of damage? This is largely to the air defense systems. That's what protects a layer of protection. Updates when there's any sort of breach in their airspace. That has been hit is what we're hearing. It's been reported in Lahore. It's been reported in Sialkot as well. What stands out about these locations to me, Shivani, is the strikes that happened as part of Operation Sindoor yesterday. One was Muridke, very close to Lahore, and the other, there were some strikes in Sialkot as well.
Certainly, Akshita, it can be related to the Operation Sindoor strikes that happened, but India has made it very clear that they were very focused and measured strikes. But we have to see, because we haven't been told the exact details how the operation divulged, and how we saw the videos definitely, but how the assets were approached and how they were pushed into action, which all areas they took while they were on this operation. So it can be possible that these damages were a part of that operation, but still we will wait for the confirmation and proper updates on this, because we don't want to get into any kind of speculations, Akshita, but whatever has been coming is quite indicative of the fact that something is happening in Pakistan, where we see the reports of the blasts in Lahore, the reports of media, Pakistan's media, of Sialkot explosions, and now this input that shows that air defense systems of Pakistan have incurred heavy damages in Sialkot as well as Lahore, and another city there in Pakistan. So we have to wait and watch for more details to get updated. And meanwhile, we've been reporting about the developments in Amritsar too, Akshita, where we've seen that some projectile left outs have been found there. So we have to correlate and wait for all the inputs that officially are offered, officially are confirmed to us. But right now, what we are learning, that the air defense systems in Pakistan are at heavy losses in Sialkot as well as in Lahore and some other location also.
Okay, so the air defense system, the air defense units of the Pakistan Army being hit, and this comes a few hours after we'd reported here on India Today about multiple blasts being heard in Lahore, in Lahore's Walton Road, that had people in an absolute panic, people running out. There were no injuries that were reported, and none of the civilian pockets really that were hit in these particular explosions, but the sound of blasts were confirmed in Lahore. There were some suggestions also of similar activity in Sialkot, and now we can tell you that there's been massive damage confirmed for the Pakistan Army. And what do we mean by that? The air defense units of the Pakistan Army that protects the country's airspace, that essentially alerts if there's any sort of unwarranted movement within its airspace, that has been seriously dented, that's been hit for Pakistan. And that leads to questions about whether Pakistan now has absolutely no eyes in the sky, has no way to figure if there's any breach in its airspace. Huge damages we are reporting right now to the Pakistan Army's air defense systems. I want to bring in Mir Farid also for more on this. Mir, any official confirmation from the Pakistan government or the army on what exactly has happened so far?
Well, the Pakistan Army has come out, the ISPR has come out with a statement that this was a coordinated drone attack, drone strike, also claiming that 12 such drones which were sent by India have been shot down by Pakistan Air Defense. But there have been instances where these drones have hit their targets. One in Lahore, where Pakistan Army a facility has been hit, and in this 4 soldiers have been injured. That is the official version. Obviously, It has to be more than that. The damage could be a lot more, but we're going by what the Pakistan Army are themselves accepting. On the other hand, they have also said that another drone hit a civilian area and one civilian has been killed. So this is the official version of the Pakistan Army, but sources on the ground and the reports independently we are gathering is that there has been substantial damage, though as we know, nothing from the Indian side, nothing from the defense officials. They're absolutely tight-lipped about it. But Pakistan, on the other hand, is claiming that these drones came from India. These are heavy, big drones actually, which carry payloads, which carry explosives and then drop them. This is the latest war technique or tactics that have been used in Middle East, especially. You talk of Israel-Palestine, Israel-Lebanon conflict, or even Russia-Ukraine conflict. You'll see many occasions where drone strikes have been successfully carried out. This is a new way or a new technique as far as warfare is concerned. While we know that there is conventional war weapons, but then drones have come as very lethal, effective way of carrying out attacks against adversaries, because it flies low, it can evade radars, it can evade a country's aerial defense system, and they can hit their targets. Though in this case, as I said, Pakistan is claiming that they have shot down 12, but they themselves are saying that there are instances where these drones have hit military targets and otherwise, and they've caused
we don't know at this point the nature of the strike that's happened right now in Lahore and Sialkot. But Mir is right that we've seen these kind of drone strikes happen before. So while at this point there's no official confirmation of what kind of strikes and how these damages happened to the Pakistan Army's air defense system, you kind of add 1 + 1 here, Shivani, of the information that came in a few hours ago from Lahore, where there were some suggestions of a drone being shot down and leading to all of that chaos.
Akshita, certainly we are following all developments closely, and what we are hearing is that the DGISPR, Pakistan side, had brought out this claim that there were around 12 drones that were fired upon them, and then they were neutralized. So we have to wait and watch and confirm this, that what kind of damages have happened, and was there someone else the Pakistan has been claiming that incurred this kind of damage to their air defense systems, or was there its own assets? Because, they have also been practicing and demonstrating a lot of exercises. They've been trying to retaliate and show the world that they are ready for any kind of defense posturing and action against India. So now we have to check back whether this was the damage caused by Pakistan's own drills or Pakistan's developments inside Pakistan, the blast, because we were being told that some kind of drills were happening inside Pakistan in coordination with the Pakistan's Air Force and Pakistani Army, and that could have caused those blasts. But we have to wait for more official confirmation, especially from India's side, after the remarks have come from Pakistan, where they have claimed that 12 drones went inside once again after Operation Sindoor have already been conducted. So we have to see that these damages on the air defense systems of Pakistan, especially in Sialkot area, in Lahore area, and the other region, have been why and how have they been damaged?